Wait, I'm sound more Jamaican now some way. Watch this.
I don't think a Russian accent speaking Jamaican patois exists on this planet. I've seen a number of different combinations and mixtures and I love them all, but the Russian accent speaking patois, I don't think so. Then me have Ruski half yardy, so sometimes I say privyet and sometimes I say wagwan. Many people they tell me that leader of Russia is not good, but me I tell you, Putin is a real bad man. I may have many brethren there, they love the cold, but me not love the cold because I have Jamaican, so we can't love the cold. So I have to stay inside and watch Netflix and chill. And that disturb me when me inside because my hands they do and box in the mouth. You want to get the box up in the mouth? Because that's what you're gonna get if you knock on my door in Russia. My hands and box in the mouth. If you farm it, me pull out Kalashnikov and box in the mouth with it. And then we can bury in the snow because snow is very soft for dig. Very easy for dig snow. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna bury up in the snow.